Hey, welcome to another episode of Simply Investing. I know I'm getting out a lot of these videos, and I promised I would get them out to you. This week I wanted to kind of give my tips of trading. And since I started when I was a teenager with a stock market club in high school, this is kind of the things I've learned over that time frame. I know I'm dating myself, but this was before I started trading before everyone was worried about Y2K. So anyway, on to my tips. My first tip, and it's a tip a lot of investors always say, invest in what you know and what you understand. That doesn't mean invest in what you think should be relevant. Invest in what you know and understand. So if you understand how the company makes money, you understand where it makes its money, and you understand how its business model operates and intends to operate in the future, then you're already one step closer to making a smart investment. And that will help you avoid some of the pitfalls and some of the pump and dump schemes, and because there's a lot of stocks out there you just wonder, like, I don't know how they make money. But there's a lot of companies out there that you may miss on because of that. But the thing is to get comfortable with what you know and what you are investing in. 2 is always look at the financials. That's the first thing. When I find out how a company operates, the next thing I'm going to delve into is the financials. And that also includes not only just looking at their balance sheets and everything, but also look at the insider trading. I don't mean insider trading in a negative way, but look at how executives are trading. Are they buying more stock? Are they taking advantage of more stock? Or are they selling? And if they're selling, why? Then I'll dig a little deeper. Look at as many of the balance sheets as you can, going as far back as you can. Well, I don't know why I can't do that. And stay focused on finding out where they make their profits. If they're having a slump, find out where the slump is. If the stock's down for no reason and the company's been making money for the last 10 years, you already got 2 green flags in there because you understand its business model and you understand that it's a profitable company. Next tip is to look at how the volume is trading. See if you can get a graph of the volume to understand how are other investors trading this company. Has it been a downward slope? Has it been an increase in buying? Has it been a lot of selling? See how the public is reacting to this company. That's very important. My fourth tip is to see where everyone else is running from and run there. Because a lot of the times it's just emotional devaluation, and with emotional devaluation there's always room for the market to make a mistake on a stock, such as, and there's quite a few out there, like they had it for Apple for a little bit. They were just emotionally devaluating it, and you made it into a great buy. You were able to sop up some shares in the low 90s, and now it's back up to 105. Things like that, because a lot of what's on the market is driven by emotion, and wherever people are running from, you want to look at that company and see why we're running from that company. Like, you got to find out like what's in there. If there's nothing wrong with it, then you know you have a buy, and everyone's just making an emotional run because people fear the unknown. They don't know what's going to happen next, so they fear it, so they run from it. My 5th tip is investing based on your own risk comfortability. Don't invest in it because your friend's investing in it. Don't invest in it because someone successful is investing in it. Invest in it because you are comfortable with the risk. You're comfortable if you lost that money. You're comfortable if anything should go wrong. Because when you're not comfortable and you make those big decisions, guess what? You're going to lose. You're going to lose a lot of money. You're going to be very upset. Very upset about it. And I would venture to say that you probably shouldn't invest. I never really invest into what everyone says, oh, you should invest, it's taken off. I look at it, sometimes it's taking off because of more people buying into it. It's kind of similar to a pump and dump. You know, there's a lot of reasons why you should look into a stock just because. Like, don't buy it just because someone says you should buy it. No, those are my 5 strong tips for investing. It's a little bright out today. But you shouldn't lose your cool when you're investing. It always is follow the process, keep your emotions out of it, and stay within your realm of comfortability. With that said, guys, I like the questions, I like all the feedback. Thank you, John Mungia, for all your feedback. It's great. Everything's appreciated. Also, I love you guys commenting and giving me questions. I'm going to try and have one video a week where I answer all of your questions that you guys present. So talk to me, leave feedback. I apologize if I miss you in an email. I don't look at those emails that often because all it is just repeats of updates, so I don't really look at the email box for this account. But you know, feel free to like the Facebook page, comment on the Facebook page, ask me, you can direct message me there, comment below, like, subscribe. We're reaching our goal every day, trying to get as many people as I can to help them through their investment process. And share the word. Like us on Facebook, and I'm going to start posting when I put new videos on there. So like the Facebook page, share the video link, and help out as many people. Because if you have questions, I guarantee you your friend does too. They're just not going to say anything. And for some reason, people are more secretive about investing than they are about pornography. They'll admit that they've watched porn before they admit that they're trying to invest on their own. Don't know why. There's nothing wrong with investing on your own. We're all going to make mistakes, we're all going to learn, and we're all going to get there. That said, good luck this week. I have a feeling it's going to be a great week of trading. I think the Dow's going to dip a little bit, but I think there's going to be some great buys and some great winners, and also some great profits to be made. With that said, see you guys next time. I'll post a video about my trading at the end of tomorrow. Hopefully you guys can take some information and help make some better trades. Thanks for all your support, and see you next time.